Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair. I'm rocking the little Bantu knots today because I washed my hair yesterday and didn't feel like twisting it up. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on a natural matte eye look with red lipstick, because you can never go wrong with red lips. I haven't worn red lips in a while. Even though I'm not going anywhere today, I'm still going to go ahead and do that look that you just saw at the beginning of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you guys for tuning in every Tuesday and Saturday. I know it's been a while since I've done 2 videos in a week, but I'm getting back into it. If you guys see my shirt, this is a shirt from the business that I have, so make sure you guys check them out as well. And I have my Simple Roots earrings in. So let's get started. I'm going to just use my Juvia's Place Warrior palette today. And like I said, this look's gonna be super quick, super simple really, but the red lips is what's gonna set it off. So I'm going in with the color Kano all over my lid. I've already done my brows, I've already primed my face and my eyes. Gonna go in with the color Mino and I'm going to darken up my corners. We're gonna go through and blend it. Just like that. It's super simple, guys, super simple. So I'm going to take a hosey and I'm just going to lighten up my inner corner some. A little bit of blending. And that's literally it. That's all I'm doing on my eyes besides like some eyeliner and some lashes. So I'm gonna take my NYX liner, throw some liner on really fast. All right, we're gonna move right on to the face. We'll go back and do my lashes while I am baking. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 420 with my e.l.f. blending brush. And then I always like to dampen my brush just a little bit. If you want more details on how I do my foundation, my concealer, my contour, baking, all that, make sure you check out my video. I will put the link in the description. Ooh, you see that? See my eyeliner? I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. Just make sure. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes to make sure it's dry so it doesn't make it worse. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer now. For the mark that I made, I'm just going to take a Q-tip and rub it, and it's just going to kind of flake off, get a little bit lighter. Mascara is a little bit easier to get off. I'm just gonna go back over with my brush and then blending brush. We're good to go for the most part. Move on to my my contour. My Morphe E8 brush. All right, so we are going to bake, and then while I am baking, I am going to put on my lashes. All right. Using my Mia Bella lashes again. I just love them.
Strange Block Beats.
Boom, lashes are done. We are going to go ahead and brush the powder off. Like I said, my face, I don't go into too much detail just because I do have a tutorial on how to do this. I know this seems like way too simple probably, but that's what I was going for today, the simple eye. And then once I throw my lips on, y'all are gonna be like, oh, okay. So my Filter Effect Finishing Powder by Morphe. Go ahead and get into my blush. Once again, my MAC blush, the only blush you guys will probably ever see me use unless you guys have a suggestion for one that I should try. My highlight. Since my makeup's very natural, I think today I'm going to use my Kilowatt Fenty highlighter in Moscow Mule. It's like a rose gold color, so I feel like it'll kind of go in with the theme of the red. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with the same color that I did in my crease, the Mino. Just going to take this flat brush a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I almost forgot my brow gel. My eyebrows totally need to be waxed right now, and you guys probably can't see because I've already concealed, but I'm trying to let them grow out some, get a little bit thicker. So yeah, hopefully y'all can't tell that they need to be done. All right, to my lips. I am gonna line my lips with this lip liner. I still haven't gotten any new lip liner, but I feel like it just helps with the red, make it look more complete.
Strange Block Beats.
I am using my Fenty Uncensored Stunna lip paint. I haven't used this in forever. For a while I actually had lost it. So it does dry matte. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Kat Von D setting spray. And then bam. Another thing that's great about this eye look is I could put on, so I feel like this is a little bit more nighttime date night. Unless you like red lipstick all the time, then that's totally cool. For me, this would be like nighttime date night. Or you can put on a more natural lip gloss and it could be your everyday look as well. It's actually pretty similar, or almost exactly the same as my everyday look that I did for you guys before. But here you have it, the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on Tuesday, where I am finally going to do my birthing story with Zara, just basically the whole experience from the beginning to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Oh my God, y'all. I got lipstick on my teeth, hold on. All right, now we're better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, subscribe, like, share. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.